Let me ask you something. Did you know that brands, I'm talking about they're paying everyday people like you and me to create simple videos for them, even if people don't have a following? Yeah. Now I'm not talking about influencers, okay? I'm talking about regular people like me and you with a phone, okay? Today's video, we're gonna talk about UGC content and how beginners are making money creating content for brands. Yes, this is a thing. Yes, women are making money, men too, all people making money doing exactly this. So let's dive into it. Hey girl, hey, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Sharlrita, and on this channel we talk about building what I call a quiet income, okay? Soft life business. Yes. And sometimes that means exploring different ways that women can create income online through digital assets, opportunities, like simple online business model. And today we're going to talk about UGC content. Okay, because this is one of those income streams that a lot of people are curious about. So I want to break it down. We're going to talk about what it is. We're going to talk about how it works. We're going to talk about how beginners actually make money doing this. You ready, girl? You got your Alani? I got my Alani. Let's get into this, girl. I'm excited about this because this is an income stream that I don't talk about. You know, um, I made some great money as a UGC creator. I slowed down a lot. But even talking about this and some of the questions you guys are asking me about this stuff, yeah, you making your girl wanna get back into it. And if you are a woman, if you 40 plus, 50 plus, 60 plus, oh, brands are looking for you, honey. They are looking. All right, so let's get into it. First time I heard about UGC, I honestly thought it was just some kind of influencer marketing thing. Nothing wrong with being an influencer, okay? You know, I just thought it was something for people that had big followings and they just get paid to promote products. Now, people do that, okay? But that's not what UGC is, okay? UGC is actually something very, very different. It became really, really popular in the early 2020. Brands don't always need influence. They don't want influencers. Sometimes what they need is content. You know, they need videos. They need product descriptions. They need lifestyle clips. They need like simple videos that show how their products work. And a lot of the times, these brands don't want to create the content themselves. So instead, they pay people like you and me to create it for them. Okay. That's what that's where becoming a UGC creator comes in at and how we can truly benefit from this. Because listen, yeah, if you have any type of business, most of the time people that are launching these new products, they need UGC creators. Like for example, this product right here, I just got this product. Okay. I got this product, so I got paid for creating a video. I haven't created a video yet, but I got paid for creating video for this one video. Okay. They may use the video for advertising and all that great things, but I don't have to post it if I don't want to. I can if I want to. Now some companies will require you to post it, but we're gonna get into that. Okay, we're gonna get into that really, really deep. Y'all know how I do. First, answer the question: what is UGC content, Sharlrita? UGC stands for user generated content. It just simply means content created by regular people instead of the brand. Okay. So instead of the company like filming their own ads, they hire creators like you and me to film the content for them. So I'm talking content like product demos, unboxing videos, like testimony style videos, lifestyle clips using the product, short videos that show how something works. Now, here's the important part I want you to think about. You're not getting paid because you have a following, okay? You're getting paid because you created the content itself, okay? The brand then asks that the video can be used, like I just said, even with this. Sometimes they'll use it on their website, ads, their social media, their email marketing. They just need good content, and not just videos, ladies and gentlemen, but pictures too. Like you could take high quality pictures. That's all they need. Okay. They don't have this full staff of people that's just going to take. They need real results. They need real testimonials. So sometimes I used to take on gigs where they would send me the product, and I'll just film a quick video in exchange. You can exchange for money, of course. We want to do that, right? But to build your portfolio, you start off like there's so many different apps and places to just for beginners to start. But I wanted to put that in your mind that anybody can do this. Okay, anybody. And again, I'm gonna emphasize, especially if you are over 40, over 50, over 60. Yeah, they looking for you, honey. They looking for us. And I find that brands really love UGC because it does feel more real. Like when people see a big polished commercial, sometimes it feels like just advertising. It does. But when they see a regular person talking about a product, it does have that more natural feel. It's more relatable. So brands will often just hire creators to film content that looks like everyday life. I've done this plenty of times. I'm talking about just simple videos, like nothing fancy, not having this high quality production. They just want regular people, okay? So somebody asked me this question about, so what does a UGC creator actually do, right? Most of the time we just create short videos. Here's how to use this product. This is what I like about it. Show people how it works or how it works for you. Sometimes it's just simple product demos. Sometimes it's lifestyle videos. I've done those too. Sometimes it's like voiceovers showing how something works. I recently just did that on my TikTok. Y'all gotta follow me on TikTok. I recently did that for some shampoo. And many of these videos are filmed from my front phone. Okay, no studio. You don't have to have a huge setup. It's just clear content that shows the product. That's what people want to see. That's what brands want. They just want to show that their product is being used. Let's talk about the money part. Got to get to the shmoney, right? UGC creators usually get paid per piece of content. So, for example, a brand might say, we need 5 short videos for our product. So, they hire a creator to film those videos. Now, the creator delivers the videos. Make sure it's like having a job, guys. It really is. You got deadlines, and the brand pays for the content. Some creators charge $50 a video. Some charge $150 a video. Some charge $500 a video. I have gotten paid $500. I have gotten paid at $150, $50. And it just really depends on the experience and the brand as well. But here's the important thing. You're being paid for the content you create, not for your audience. So like I said, some brands won't require you to post. Some would like for you to post, but even if they want you to post, most of the time they're going to make you an affiliate. See what I mean? So it's like a win-win. Okay, they'll make you an affiliate. They'll give you a coupon code. I've done those too, where they made a coupon code. Anytime I made a sale, I made money. So it goes back to affiliate marketing, what I talked about before. But yeah, there's all sorts of deals. All sorts of deals that you can do. But yes, you can charge. Absolutely. You should charge. Now, when you're first starting, you're not charging $500, but start in increments and then go from there. One of the reasons people like UGC is because it's so beginner friendly. It really is. Like, you don't need to have a large audience. You don't have to have a big platform, a fancy camera. Honey, I use my iPhone. You don't even have to have years of experience. What brands really care about, they care about, can you create clear, natural looking content? That's it. Okay. And many creators like myself, we start by just simply practicing content at home, learning how to advertise things that we're already using, like filming everyday products, learning how to make videos feel natural. Okay. It's like on the job training. that we do, So I love this so much because one thing I always talk about here on my channel is income stacking. Yeah, meaning we don't just rely on one thing, right? We explore multiple income streams. UGC could be one stream, right? But it also connects with other streams, like I said earlier, affiliate marketing. This can connect to Amazon influencer videos, TikTok shop, and even YouTube too. Because once you learn how to create content, girl, that skill can be used in so many multiple ways. That's why so many women like myself, we take advantage of these things because we just income stack. So the video that I create for this brand, I'm once I posted, they required me to post it to my TikTok. So once I post it to my TikTok, I'm probably going to repurpose it and see if this brand is what on Amazon, and I can take that video, put it on Amazon. So when somebody buys from me, I get a commission. Okay, I can take that same video. I just got YouTube is doing something special where you can get paid. You can get affiliate commission through brands. So I need to check and see if this brand is on YouTube. Can I click? Can I make that same video, put it in my YouTube Shorts, and click it and put this up there? Yeah, we're gonna see. So you see how income stacking? Yeah, you can do this. You can do this. I'm telling you, you can do this. You're curious about learning UGC content. There are platforms that actually teach this skill. One of the platforms I recently invested, meaning recently, I'm talking about on Sunday night, is called Boss Suite. And what I really, really liked about Boss Suite is that it doesn't just focus on one income stream, right? So inside Boss Suite, there are multiple income paths, including UGC. Okay. So inside the UGC section, they break things down like what brands are looking for, how creators start, on what type of content converts, even templates, because you portfolio templates, all those great things, and even how beginners get started too. So as always, I say on this channel, my role is to research opportunities and share resources that can help women move forward. So I don't have to do all that creating. I'm gonna attach myself to somebody that has already created it. So when I come across these type of platforms that teach real skills like this, I like to bring them here so that you can explore them too. And plus, I'm in there with you, honey. I made the investment already. It's like basically I made the investment first. I check it out first so that you can decide for yourself. But yes, UGC is one of the modules and they're one of the income streams. So I'm gonna be diving more deeper into UGC here on this channel as well. I'm gonna have like a nice playlist just for UGC. But yeah, it's making me when I dived in, when I really dived into Boss Suite, I was like, y'all making me want to get back into. I'm talking about get back into UGC. I made some good money being a UGC creator. Like, yeah, y'all. I don't know if I mentioned it on this channel. Y'all remember Pensight? Pensight is still around, but I was one of the first users on that platform. They paid me to create a video for them. This is like I wasn't real deep into UGC. I had no idea what I was doing. But they paid me a pretty good amount. And even now I make residual income from there because they put my link, they did an ad, put my link in there so people signed up under me. So I get a nice little residual every month. That's what I'm talking about. See, that money right there is still working for me. And I did that deal maybe 2021. When did I? It was 2023. No, I can't remember. It was before 2026. Before 2026. So UGC, yeah, that could be something that you can tap into. Do a little recap, okay? UGC stands for user generated content. So it just simply means creating content for brands. You do not have to have this huge following. You don't need to be this top influencer with millions of followers. God bless them. I got a few influencer friends. They do very well. But even brands are paying creators for product demos, like testimonial style videos, lifestyle content. And many beginners start with just a phone in simple videos. Okay, so y'all told y'all I like to bring you that. This is soft income. Okay, this is soft income. You don't have to have a following. You don't even have to be on social media to do this. Okay, so if you want to see a sneak peek of the training and explore Boss Suite before you dive into it, I put the link below. That's there. You can take a look at the modules. You can see the different income streams, and you can decide if it's something that you want to learn and you want to get into it. Okay, and I would love to know. Y'all talk to me in the comments. Okay, like, have you heard of UGC before, or is this your first time hearing about it, or if you have, is this a new income stream for you? Let's talk. Let's chat about it, okay? Thank you so much for being here. I hope that this video served you. And into the next video, do all the things. Hype your girl up, like, subscribe, all those great things. And I'll see you in the next video, girl, okay? Bye.